Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Copenhagen Airport. Please remain seated, keep your seatbelts fastened, and keep the island emergency exits free from all hand luggage until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. You may now use your handheld electronic devices to send and receive calls. Please be careful when opening the overhead lockers as items may have moved during the flight. And please remember all your personal belongings when leaving the aircraft. We would like to remind you that smoking is still not permitted. As a member of our loyalty program, Norwegian Reward, you get cash points every time you fly with us. Sign up now and start earning your way to discounts and free flights. For more information, you'll find us at norwegianreward.com. Finally, the crew on board today and the entire Norwegian would like to thank you for flying with us, and we hope to see you on board again soon. Have a pleasant stay in Copenhagen at your final destination. Mine damer og herrer, hjertelig velkommen til København. Vi skal venligst bede jer blive siddende med sikkerhedsbælterne fastspændte og holde midtergangen samt nødgangene fri for alt håndbagage indtil flyet er blevet parkeret og skiltet med spændt sikkerhedsbæltet er blevet slukket over jer. I må nu benytte jer af håndholdt elektronisk udstyr til at sende eller modtage opkald. Vi beder jer være forsigtige, når I åbner bagagehylderne, så intet falder ud, og husk på alle jeres personlige ejendele, når I forlader flyet. Vi minder om, at rygning ikke er tilladt. Som medlem af vores loyalitetsprogram Norwegian Reward, der optjener I point hver gang I flyver med os. Disse point kan senere benyttes til pladsreservationer eller gratis rejser. For mere information om dette findes på norwegianreward.com. Til slut vil dagens besætning og Norwegian gerne takke for at flyve med os, og vi glæder os til at se jer ombord igen snart. Ha' et behageligt ophold her i København eller på jeres endelige destination.